Hello, just a short tutorial on how to render as an image or how to take a picture of a scene that you've created in Blender. So I've created a little scene here. I have a monkey in a bed. If I turn the colors on, you can see that it has some colors. I have two light sources. You can position the lights, so you can move them around to make it brighter or darker. You can also change the power value to adjust the lighting, and I want to take a picture of it now. So I could, to see what the camera sees, you can click on this button here, or the shortcut is numpad 0. That is what the camera sees. If the camera is not in the right position, it might be useful to switch over to the animation view. And here on one side you see what the camera sees, and on the other side you can click on the camera, and I could look at it from the top, and I could move the camera around, and as I'm moving the camera I can see what the camera is seeing in this other window. So I could rotate this camera or move it around, and so this is useful just so you can see what the camera sees while you're moving the camera, and you can move the camera up and down. I was pressing G and R to rotate, but you could also use these tools here to rotate and to move. Once you have the camera in a position that you want, you can click on render image, and this should just take a second to render an image. And then to save the image save as, and it's going to create a PNG file wherever you put it on the desktop. And that is it. That's how you save a picture using a picture of something you've created in Blender.